Yeah. I can face it every morning, bear it when we're meeting. It's in every place I'm staying, and in every single way. It's getting more and more abusive, more and more annoying, more and more round. When I'm down, I spit my lies. What I need is hard to reach. It's getting rough and hard to deal. It's getting wide, right in my soul. Finding every day to show my dream. Finding very hard to beat this dream. Getting enough to fall this deep. Feeling it is hard to heal, oh yeah. And I'm riding every morning, crossing all my boundaries, sharing my belongings, hiding all my doubts, getting more and more outrageous, more and more infectious, more and more loud. Oh, when I'm down, I hit and run. What I need, it's getting clear. It's making sense.